friend Sangeeta here, and I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be on exam tips. Since this is January and I live in India, all the boards exams are going to be there soon, so I want to give these tips to the students who are appearing for the board exams or any exams this year very soon. So I hope this video helps those people, and I want to thank my subscribers and viewers because since you have been watching my videos, and I want to make such more videos if you want me to do so, and I can also do a video on the study tips. This video is not on the study tips, it's just the tips which will help you on the day of exam. So I wish all my subscribers and viewers a happy new year. I hope 2015 has been a very great year for you, and 2016 must be a prosperous year for you. So let's get started with the tips. Number one is wake up early in the morning and don't study late at night. That can hamper your health. You have to keep a lot of time in your hand, since you have to get ready, do your breakfast, then you have to reach the venue. So keep a lot of time in your hand and don't rush. So that's tip number one. Next, let's move into tip number two. Tip number two is first check the venue and time and date on your admit card. You must take care that you do not reach on the wrong date, the wrong place on the date of exam, because that will be very bad for your career and future. So before, if you don't know where the school or where the college where you have to go and take your exam, that is a venue, then you can go and check it on Google, or you can go to that place, you can see, or you can take the help of your elders. But make sure you know the correct venue, the correct time, the correct date. So make sure you know that beforehand. Tip number three is to eat healthy on the day of exam. Don't eat unhygienic food which can be bad for your health. You can have very light food and then head off to your exam venue, and that will be good, since you have to wait, you have to write for a long couple of hours or so. So don't eat heavy food which can cause indigestion, because that will hamper your health as well. Make sure to check your bag before you leave your house. Make sure to check that you have taken your ID, you have taken your admit card, your pens, pencils, whatever you need. That's an exam of maths or economics or some subjects like accounts, you must take your calculator. So make sure whatever you need, you have it in your bag, and before you leave your house, check it immediately, because once you're leaving your house and if you're reaching the exam venue and you find that, oh my god, I've not taken this, I've not brought this and that I needed, then it will be a huge problem at that point of time. The next step is head to the venue with plenty of time in your hand. You never know, you can be late, you can face some problem on the road. So be sure that don't be late. You don't need to rush, but you must take care that you are not late. You have plenty of time, at least reach an hour before you are going to start your exam. Next step is, when we reach the exam hall, there are our friends. Few of them, they are always panicking, like what will happen, what sort of questions are going to come, and they are like panicking and they are taking you into tension. So try to avoid those who are in habit of panicking. If you avoid them, it will be a lot help for you. So you can stay away from them and be free and be energetic, and don't think again and again about whatever you have studied, whatever you have not studied. Just be prepared for your exam day, before the exam day, much before, not on the night before, so it will be a very much hampering thing for you. And so get ready and be away from those people, avoid them. Tip is, now when you get the question paper and you have the answer sheet before you, first study all the questions whatever have come and try to remember which you know the best. Start answering the questions which you know the best, and you have studied much and you're very confident about those answers, because if you are going to start with something which you are not much prepared might be, then you are going to waste your time. So start with answering those questions which you are confident about. My next tip is time management. Just do proper time management. Keep a section of time for answering this question, for another, and like that you will be able to finish your paper. Specifically if you're giving English exam and you are having essay, then keep those essay and comprehension and composition kind of things for the last, because if you have grammar or you have to answer some literature questions, try to do them beforehand, and that will help you to do the proper time management, and you will be able to finish your paper and keep some time for the last, so that you can check your paper before submitting and make sure that you have written the roll number on your paper, your name correctly, and then you can submit your answers. That will be, I hope that will be helpful. And the last tip is, once you have submitted your answer papers and you have question papers in your hand, many students have, and not only the students, I would say the parents also, when they come out of the examination hall, they start asking which questions you have answered, how much marks do you expect to get. So don't try to do all those, because specifically if you have exam after the day after, then you should not think about whatever exam you have given about, and try to focus on the next exam. You have to prepare for the next exam. You have to just revise all those matters. So just keep away your question paper. Do not think about it like how you have given your exam, and don't ask your friends about it like which one you have answered, which one you could not answer properly, and these discussions, and you might find that might be you have given a wrong answer, or might be you're misled by someone. So try to avoid that. Hope these tips have helped you. If these tips have helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you can tell me what kind of video you want to see next by commenting below in the bottom bar, and you can also check out my Facebook and Twitter page. I will put the links below, and I will see you soon with the next new video very soon. So hope you like this video. If you have anyone who is appearing for exam and you think these tips will help them, please share it on your social media. That might help many people. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.